Check the level of your English language with these extraordinary phrases. Here we go. Put one's foot down. To be firm or strict. She put her foot down and refused to let her son stay out late. Turn over a new leaf. To start fresh or improve one's behavior. After failing the exam, he decided to turn over a new leaf and study harder. In the nick of time. Just in time. The firefighters arrived in the nick of time to save the house. Through thick and thin. In all situations, good or bad. True friends stand by you through thick and thin. Throw cold water. To discourage or dampen enthusiasm. His negative remarks threw cold water on our plans. With a high hand. In an arrogant or oppressive way. Manager rules the office with a high hand. Hand in glove. In close cooperation. The two business partners work hand in glove on all projects. Sitting on the fence. Avoiding taking sides in an argument or decision. He is always sitting on the fence when his friends argue. Brought to light. Revealed or made known. The investigation brought to light some shocking facts. Not fit to hold a candle to. Not as good as someone else. The new singer is not fit to hold a candle to the legend. Burn one's fingers. To suffer due to one's own mistakes. He invested without research and burned his own fingers. At 6s and 7s. In a state of confusion. After the sudden change of plans, we were all at 6s and 7s. Give oneself airs. To act superior or arrogant. She started giving herself airs after her promotion. Bear the palm. To win or be victorious. He bore the palm in the marathon and won the gold medal. Keep pace with. To maintain the same speed or progress. She struggled to keep pace with the changing technology. Hope against hope. Hoping even when chances are slim. They were hoping against hope for his recovery. Wash one's hands of something. To disclaim responsibility. The manager washed his hands of the failed project. Have a finger in the pie. To be involved in something. He has a finger in every major deal of the company. Come to the front. Gaining prominence or recognition. The young actor is coming to the front in the industry. Gift of the gab. Ability to speak well and persuasively. Politicians need the gift of the gab to win votes. Gall and wormwood. Something very unpleasant or bitter. His betrayal was gall and wormwood to her. Throw out of gear. To disturb or disrupt. The sudden power cut threw our presentation out of gear. Coining money. Earning a lot of money easily. The new startup is coining money with its innovative app. In the good books. In someone's favor. She's in the teacher's good books because of her hard work. Behind the scenes. Working in the background. Many people work behind the scenes to make a movie successful. Tooth and nail. With great effort or determination. He fought tooth and nail to save his business. Within a stone's throw. Very close by. The shopping mall is within a stone's throw of my house.